Today we have a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta. We're replacing the compressor here. Ignore all this here. I'm also replacing the dryer, but we gotta remove the bumper. This guy's got so much little knick-knack things holding together that I'm gonna cover that, but the compressor is located right here under the alternator. So to start off, T45 and a swivel. You can see one of my lines here. I'm gonna remove the bolt holding the lines in place. So there's one right there where my ratchet or my extension and my swivel is, and the other one you can kind of see it right next to it on the right. So I'm gonna remove both those bolts and remove the line. Then we're gonna lift it up and remove the drive belt. So before I lift it up, one thing I noticed, well, this compressor has two drive belts attached to the pulley. So one thing I did notice is that one of the tensioners is further inward, so like closer to the engine than the other one. So at the bottom I have a little difficulty getting it. I mean, you could with an extension, but since we're right up here, the 15, you see where my ratchet is. We're gonna go ahead and remove the inner drive belt on the AC compressor there. So just pushing it forward loosens it up so we can remove the drive belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll lift the vehicle up and remove the other drive belt. So now with both my drive belts removed, my AC lines removed, my connector unplugged, we're gonna remove three 13mm bolts. You got one in the back right there, one on the bottom, and one right up top. We're gonna remove those three and basically take the compressor out. Alright, so now our compressor's removed. You can see the bracket where it sits on. So now I'm pretty much gonna go ahead and do the dryer and flush this out real quick, and then we'll return to installing the new compressor. Okay guys, so I kind of jumped the gun a little bit, went ahead and installed it after I flushed the system out. Yeah, the dryer's kind of a pain to do. I didn't feel like making a video for it, but once I flushed the system out, I did remove the oil that came in the compressor, the test oil basically, and added 2 more ounces into here. The system takes 110 cc's plus or minus 10, which is about 3.5 to 4 ounces total. So the 2 ounces in the compressor through here, number 12, and then the additional 2, a little less than 2 ounces I'm going to push in when I add the Freon. So went ahead, put the lines in, plugged it up here, tightened my 3/13s down, put the outer drive belt in first. I'm gonna go back up top, get the other one in, and the lines are in. Just a little FYI, those are aluminum bolts, so go ahead and replace those. For the most part, if you use the same compressor, I think any really, it should come with some bolts for you to use, so just use those, just keep that in mind. But pretty much now, I'm just gonna bring it back down, tighten those 2 lines up top again with T45 and swivel, and back in the system. Now enjoy it. That'll be it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.